functional testing versus database testing. Observe Jyoti, functional testing. What is it? Is it test level or test type or test design technique?
Test level.
Test level. Nirupama.
Test type, sir.
It's test type, sir.
Test type, Jyoti. It is test type, not test level. What are the test levels? Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Getting?
Yeah.
Functional testing is test type. Next, what is database testing? Sriniram, what is database testing?
This is a type of functional testing, sir.
Type of functional testing. Okay. See, basically it is also test type. Okay. It is also test type. Next, what is the relation between functional testing and database testing? Both are same or different? See, database testing is a
Part of functional
subset of
Functional.
functional testing. Isn't it?
Yes.
sir.
Say, as part of functional testing, we conduct database testing, whether it is manual testing or automated testing. You can conduct database testing. Suppose if it is manual testing, connect to your database manually by providing username, password, server address. Then using SQL commands, you can conduct database testing. If it is Selenium or UFT like test tools, you can connect to databases using database connection string. Then you can conduct database. Selenium, observe Sriniram, Selenium won't support database testing directly. Getting?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Selenium won't support database testing directly. Why? It doesn't have any built-in features and built-in commands also. How it supports data? It supports database testing, not directly. How? Using programming language.
Yeah. Yes.
Programming
Java,
language.
yes.
Suppose Java is there. Java can communicate with databases now.
Yes, sir.
Java can communicate with
Database.
databases using suppose JDBC API.
JDBC.
Java, what is JDBC? Java database
Java database connectivity.
Connection.
connectivity. Java database connectivity. So
Yes.
using Java or Python, we can connect to Python is some weaker in this database connectivity, but Java has good database connectivity. Getting this point?
Okay, sir.
Using
Yes.
Python also you can connect to databases, but Python database connectivity is some weak, but Java database connectivity is strong. Okay. Using Java you can connect to backend databases
Database.
and test with Selenium. Okay. If it is manual test, whether it is manual testing or automated testing, database testing is possible. Database testing is subset of functional testing.
Functional testing.
Functional testing.
Is the one way testing that the checking whether the table is the table and stuff? The database testing.
Yes, we are not going to discuss database operations.
Okay.
High level only we are discussing. Say database operations, we need to check table content also.
Yeah, schemas and
Schema-
the failover testing also coming under here.
Pardon?
Failover testing. Failover testing also coming
See, you
here
don't mix the
under that.
concepts. We are discussing
Okay.
high level. say we are not going to in depth of database testing. What we test, suppose data add, modify, delete operations, next data comparisons, next tables, rows, columns, next content. We are not going to discuss that one. We are discussing high level functional testing versus database testing. Getting in database testing, generally what we test, what we test.
Yeah, normally like the backend type of testing, like once we submitted request, we're checking whether it's populating correctly in database, and we'll check that the data fields, schemas, and those things. Yeah.
Okay. Database testing is a subset of functional testing. Next, Srinirav,
Sir,
which one is superior, functional testing or database testing?
functional testing is a superior, sir.
We can't.
Yeah,
say.
that is a subset.
We can't
The
say.
database setting subset.
We can't say. Why? Database testing is part of functional testing, okay. But it is not only part of functional testing, it is also part of non-functional testing. Getting?
Okay. Okay.
So it is also independent one. Say,
Okay.
database testing in this scenario part of functional testing, but it is also part of non-functional
Non-functional
testing.
testing.
Say,
Right.
we have three types of database testing. One is structural database testing. Structural database testing. See, generally, database developers conduct this type of structural testing. Here, they check schemas, etc. Structural database testing. Next, functional database testing. Functional database testing.
Database test.
Here, software testers, independent testers test database operations like add,
Fetch the data.
delete, edit, next retrieving records and comparing with say back-end data with front-end data, next modification operations, etc. That is functional database testing. Next, non-functional database testing. See, non-functional testing also there. Non-functional testing. See, in performance testing also, Jyoti, this database testing can be conducted. See, data volume testing is there now. Data, say, subsets of performance testing, load testing, stress testing, endurance testing, spike testing, and data volume testing. Say, in performance testing also, Nirupama, we need
Yes, sir.
we need to verify performance of the database, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's why database testing also powerful concept. It is part of functional testing, but also part of structural testing and non-functional testing. Okay.
Okay.
Any problem, Jyoti? Raise query, Jyoti?
No, I'm good. Yeah, that's what I'm just confusing, because I know like it's mixed with the non-functional testing as well. We used to do that.
Yes, in non-functional testing
high
also we
avail-
conduct database testing.
Yeah, for the high availability testing also that time also.
Say,
Yeah.
suppose our data is working fine, Jyoti. You are entering 10 records from front end, stored properly in back end. Suppose you are retrieving some data, but slowly retrieving. That is performance issue.
Performance.
See, retrieving correct data is functional. Retrieving correct data quickly, that is performance. Retrieving correct data but slowly performance issue. Next, retrieving data quickly but incorrect data, that is functional issue. Getting
Yeah.
structural database testing, generally database developers conduct structural database testing, Suman. In the structural database testing, they focus on design of database.
Schema of
Getting
database. Yes, sir.
design of database. For example,
Is in the schema of the database.
schema
right,
of the database, tables, next columns, rows, next here data types also there, Sriniram. Getting the point? For data objects, suppose one column is there, column is name. For that data type required now.
Yes, sir. Yes. Correct.
Suppose another column is first column employee name, second column age. Age is what type of data?
Numerical data.
Number na.
Number, yes.
For that numerical data type required, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
So for database developers focus on schema and data types, etc. And one more thing, already I told this database testing. How to conduct database testing? Jyoti,
Data-driven method.
data-driven database testing. No relation. Both are different. Don't confuse. Database, single word. Database testing, Sriniram. Generally, how we conduct database testing? Okay, we can conduct whether it is manual testing or automated testing. Database testing is possible. We can conduct database testing manually or using any test tool. That is how to conduct. Next here, SQL commands required now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Correct.
SQL commands required now for conducting database
Yes, sir.
testing. SQL commands are required for conducting database testing. How to conduct? Manually or automation. Next, SQL commands only for relational databases, Nirupama.
Yes, sir.
See, SQL, say, using SQL, structured query language commands, we conduct database testing. Not all databases, Sriniram. Not all databases. Only relational databases.
Yes, RDBMS. Yes.
Only relational databases. RDBMS. Example, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Sybase, DB2, DB400, etc. Only for relational databases. Suppose another type of databases are there. That is NoSQL databases.
Right.
NoSQL databases. One assignment to you, Jyoti. How to conduct NoSQL database testing. NoSQL databases. Example, MongoDB, CouchDB, Redis, Cassandra, etc. Here, relational databases, Sriniram, use relations. Data relations.
Right.
Suppose employee name. employee age, employee salary, all are related fields na.
Right, sir. Using primary key.
Okay. Key. Relation is there na.
Correct, sir. Yes.
Relation is there. Relational. Relations. For relations we use table format na.
Yes. Right.
Table format. Here for no SQL databases, not only SQL, some are saying another definitions also, not only SQL, no SQL databases, you can store structured data,
Okay.
next, semi-structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data also. Unstructured data, unstructured data. Tangina, can you give one example for unstructured data?
Sir, unstructured data.
Suppose you post one page message in Facebook. Is it structured data? That is data only. Is it structured data?
No, no, sir.
Unstructured, na?
Yes, sir.
Unstructured. And one more thing, Sriniram. Nowadays, most of the software applications, enterprise applications use relational databases. Suppose banks, insurance companies, e-commerce companies, etc. Sriniram. But
Okay.
famous social networking applications like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, they use both SQL databases and NoSQL databases. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
See, their database, packet database, it may contain SQL database and NoSQL database, both. For example, Facebook. Suppose Facebook wants to store their account holders, their users' information. For that, they use a table format. Username, user password, user email ID, like. Getting?
Getting, sir.
If they want to store their user information, they can use tabular format, relational database, SQL database, relation database, another name is SQL database. Suppose they want to store user information like messages, videos, images, etc. For that they use NoSQL database.
NoSQL database.
NoSQL. Why? See, audio files, video files, images, that is not relational data, structured data.
Right.
Okay. Final, Jyoti. Nowadays, some applications, nowadays some applications, large scale applications, large scale enterprise applications use both relational databases and NoSQL databases for
Also
storing.
because of the performance.
Pardon?
Performance. It's because of getting more performance.
No.
No, it's good.
100% wrong your answer is. Suppose, forget about performance. I want to store some structured data like relational data, user information, user from India, users from US, users from UK, like relational data. For that, I want to use a relational database. Suppose I want to store user messages, user images, user audio files, user video files. For that, NoSQL database is required now.
Yeah, because of dealing huge volume, high volume
Because of
data.
storing different types of data, not performance. Here, no relation with performance, isn't it?
Mm.
Tell me. Still you are
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
No relation with performance.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I thought like because of media, all this one is storing in NoSQL. Yeah.
Performance is not the criteria here. Suppose if you want to store relational data, use SQL database. Suppose in the same application, if you want to store images, audio files, video files, etc., for that SQL database is not suitable. No SQL database required. Here, performance is not the criteria.
Mm.
Data type is the criteria, isn't it?
Mm.
Any problem? Tell me.
Yeah. Okay. I'm fine. Thank you.
And one more thing. Now, Srinira, SQL, last 2 minutes. SQL databases concept from 1980s, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
SQL was launched in 1978 by IBM. Next, first relational database management system developed by Oracle Corporation.
Correct.
Next, so many databases.
Yes.
Next, NoSQL. This is
Recently.
recent.
Yes.
NoSQL databases. See, 2000.
Yes.
Okay. Next, SQL plus NoSQL. Huge data nowadays. One more concept is
Big
arriving.
data.
Big data. It is huge data, na?
Yes, sir. Right.
In this
Hadoop.
big data, you can find structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. See, for so many applications, huge amount of real time. What is that one? Live data.
Okay.
Huge amount of live data. Suppose New York Stock Exchange is there. It has to handle huge amount of live data, na?
Yes, sir. Right.
So nowadays big data concept also there. Okay. This is a brief introduction about database testing. In big data also database testing required, says Srinira.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So the database testing, we are using the data-driven method. Is it correct?
Data-driven method is not related to database testing. Data-driven method for positive and negative testing.
Okay. It is
That is
no
not,
relation. Okay.
that is not for data. See, in using data-driven testing, we don't test backend database.
Okay.
We test our functionality using different sets of data, valid input and invalid input.
Okay.
So don't mix it. Data-driven testing is not related to database testing.
Okay.
Now I am going to close the today's session. Confirm one by one. First, Jyoti.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome. Nirupama.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. I gave an assignment to Nirupama or somebody.
Yes, sir, you gave, but I could not do it today, so I didn't do it. You said usage of GitHub with Selenium integration.
By tomorrow or after
yeah.
tomorrow. Next one, assignment to you, Jyoti. Today's assignment, Jyoti, theoretical assignment.
Okay, yeah.
We conduct
NoSQL.
relational database or SQL database testing using SQL commands. Then how to conduct NoSQL database testing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, any queries, Nirupama?
No, sir, I'm good.
Welcome. Sriniram.
Oh, sir, I'm good. Thank you.
Welcome. Tanjina.
I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Farzana.
I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Where is Khan? Okay. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.